Guys, good evening. Right now it's about 8:30 and I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain, a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires in Asta Trade. Welcome to my channel and I'm here with some stocks for tomorrow. I feel these stocks may give a very good movement tomorrow. So let's see. Before that, if you want to have a look, if you want to reach out to my team in whichever way, like you want to get some information regarding the market courses, or you want to join my Telegram channel, where we keep giving one or two very good stocks. Today we have given Granules India, and also we have given Tata Motor DVR. These were the two stocks on position side, and they have given a beautiful breakout. And you can reach out to my team, right? Fine. So now let's go on, and I have few stocks on my radar. I have TCS, ZEAL, ONGC, and IGL. These are four stocks. But what are the levels and why I am interested in them? Before I go on, this is my YouTube channel, and if you remember, I have given TCS on 31st of August, right? 31st of August, I have said that buy above 2324. And where do we stand today? Today it has broken those levels. So just I want to show you the TCS has got multiple stoppings at this level, right? This is a zone which has been very challenging for TCS, right? And look at this place. If you notice this place, they have TCS has taken a lot of time to overcome this particular challenge, right? To overcome this level of about 2300 and manage to close, right? What you can have a focus upon on this particular day, it crossed 2300 but immediately came down. There was a price rejection. I want you people to comment on in the comment box, why was this rejection? Who created this rejection? And why was this rejection created again and again and again at 2300, right? If you have seen my video on support and resistance, you would exactly be knowing, and I want this learning process to go on, right? And if you have noticed, I have made a video yesterday on ZEAL, and I said that I would like RSI to take a support and then bounce, right? If you have noticed that, see, today this RSI is taking a support and bouncing. This makes this trade an excellent trade, and I would be definitely interested in creating my positions in TCS. And since my time frame is day, I would like to go for at least for few days, right? A little bit up and down, I'm not going to bother about, but above 2350 we can just enter into it, and it will just blast from here. It'll just blast up from here, right? And if it has managed to cross, see this hurdle, number of candles that have formed in this region, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, 29. That's quite a lot, more than a month, right? Let's see on a weekly time frame, how does it look, right? And let's have a look on the monthly time frame. How does this stock look, right? So on a monthly time frame, like the high that it has ever made is 2357 or 58. If it crosses that, my target will be 2400, 2500, 2600. So, as far as my understanding goes, whenever a stock crosses its lifetime high, it is it definitely moves at least 10% up from that point, right? So if TCS cost about 2300, I'm 100% sure it'll go at least 200 to 250, 300 points. You can have a look at the back, right? See here, it took a lot of time to cross 1421, right? Once this barrier was crossed with volumes, it at least moved from 1400 to 2240, right? That's a huge movement, right? And we now it's struggled a lot, right? If I just draw a box for you from here, this place, right? This place, if let me just draw another box for you, this box, right? It hovered in this period for almost like from 2018 to 2020, almost like 2 years, right? After 2 years, it's planning to go up, right? If it goes up, please don't, guys, don't miss it. And look at the beautiful way RSI is giving you a support, and then it's going up, right? So that's going to be a very, very good trade. And I don't need to discuss TCS finances. It's one of my favorite company, and it's one of my, because I respect the Tata Group chairperson, Mr. Ratan Tata, the way his business policies, everything is, and they have a cash, solid cash, in their kitty, right? So these are points which really, really are attractive about TCS. It's one of the biggest IT company India has. Of course, there are a lot more IT companies which are showing good strength at this point of time. HCL Tech, Mindtree. Look at Mindtree today. It has given a closing above its monthly high, right? A closing above its monthly high indicates that stock is gaining strength, right? And if you just have a look at the price, price is also shifting in the upward direction. So where will we be buying? Mindtree. Let me add Mindtree also here, right? Because Mindtree has very good formation right now. Look at the way it is crossed. The closing has been done on a monthly basis, and let's have a look on a weekly basis. Very beautiful closing above the line, above the previous, above this resistance level. The closing is above the resistance level, at the resistance level, and we just need to see what is happening on a daily chart time frame, right? So daily chart time frame is also not bad, above 1244, right? 1244, it's not going to look back, right? That's one thing for sure. So out of TCS, it's still taken Mindtree. If I have to give one number, I will give first number to TCS. So let me just write number one. I'm ranking them. Number two will be Mindtree, and I'm not going to consider HCL Tech as of now, right? Because see here, it still need to go a little far for as far as its barrier is concerned, little far away, right? Then comes my zeal that I did analysis for you people, right? What I was thinking, there is a possibility that zeal may give a breakout, goes till whatever point, you can definitely enjoy this move up, and then when it comes back again, it'll give a second entry. You can again, if you're a long-term holder, you can again buy some quantity. Let's say what I'm expecting from the zeal is that'll go up and then come back to retest the price. Once it comes, you can again get more money. You can just book your profit here. If you're a long-time holder, again get some more quantity here and then let it go up. Once it crosses, like once it takes a support by dropping to this point, it is not going to look back, right? 300, 350 is going to be my target for this. But what is important is price, maybe it blasts tomorrow or this week or probably next week, but when it comes to take a support and then bounces, then it will be 100% sure that the stock is planning to definitely go up, right? So that was Zeal. Dr. Reddy was also on my radar, but I will skip Dr. Reddy for this moment. I have another stock on a sell side, which is ONGC, right? I do plan to sell ONGC, and if I draw the trend line, see here, and if I draw it here, just see this trend line from the top, right? That is a very promising one, in the sense that this trend line is not broken, right? So even it on the other day, it took a resistance from the same line and came down. So there could be a possible drop in ONGC. I'm expecting it to go below 76.45. If it breaks this level, then I'm expecting it to come down till about, if not less, from 76 to 70 for sure can be expected, right? But mind the levels. Those are very important things. You have to mind the levels, because levels could be it could be a bounce from this place as well, right? So be careful, go along with the market. If market looks positive, only trade in the positive stocks. If market looks weak, then you can be negative. But please remember, I have already shown you this on 31st that I do plan to buy TCS, right? I do plan to buy TCS, and where we stand today, TCS looks extremely possible. And I want in the comment box who all are active here, right? In this resistance zone, the one I have marked for you at the top, in this zone, who are the people active, who are not letting the price go up, right? If you will write, if most of you will write the right answer, I will definitely read it out and I will explain. But before I go on, I just want to answer the questions, the whatever comments you have written. Thank you everyone for greeting me for the Teachers Day. I'm a born teacher, like I have started teaching when I was very small. So teaching has been my passion always. Like I was in IIT, I used to teach my juniors, and every time I've been just finding myself teaching. Sometime to my younger sister, sometime to, of course, to my own children. I have been definitely teaching. So I just want to come down to this. This Sharath has written that taking 17 minutes of your personal time to educate one and all. So Sharath, it's not 17 minutes, because 17 minutes are just to record the video. But as I told you, I'm so technologically challenged, making this, the adding my video and then looking at the angle, which is perfect. It takes me hours and hours to settle myself down, and then putting the screen, the PPTs in place, drawing. Then before that, for days I watch a stock. It's not that I gave you TCS on this particular day or any particular day. I watch a stock for a long duration, like Zeal. I've been watching for a good time now. I have given, right? And it the whole process goes on in my mind for quite many days. Like it just settles down in a particular form, and then I give it, right? When I get fully convinced, yeah, this is happening or this will happen, then only I give you the trade. So it's not 17 minutes. 17 minutes is just to record the video. So, but thank you so much for acknowledging. At least people just straight away rubbish, the videos, that what is it that you're doing, but thank you so much for appreciating. And I'm definitely planning to make a video for Asian Paints, right? How do you buy? I have already answered your question. When a stock is at lifetime high, for example TCS, from here it can definitely go up about 10%, right? So what is so important is that the fundamentals of the company has to be good, one. And second thing, the previous resistances have to be broken with volumes, right? So what does it mean? Like, for example, see here, as I told you, this previous resistance have been broken with volumes, right? Look at this solid candle. So this indicates that buyers have got activated here. In fact, in TCS, buyers are active at any given time, because this is one of the very good companies, right? So what I'm saying, that please keep writing comment. It really encourages me to do good work, and thank you for acknowledging. But it's not 17 minutes. It's almost like 24 hours for me to make a video, because I cannot speak extempore if it is not absorbed in my mind. If it's not, if every word I haven't thought about, I can't speak the way I'm speaking. So for me, pre-preparation is very important, and which takes a lot of time, because I need to mentally absorb everything, and then I need to speak, right? And that is how you see the clarity in my videos. When I make videos, I'm so sure about it, what I'm speaking and what I'm saying. So take care, all the best, and definitely on my radar is Asian Paints. For sure I'm going to add Asian Paints here, but Asian Paints is also about to break its lifetime high, and that's going to be a very nice opportunity for us to further buy it, further add on in our collection of in our portfolio. So with this, I'm signing off. Take care and remain connected with our Telegram channel. and keep minting money along with us. And if you have been making good money, if you've been watching my videos, please share with others. This, I mean, I really put a lot of energy and efforts into making these videos. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. But don't forget TCS, right? It's about to give a breakout.